Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the doc open, so start by clicking any cell to show the table handles. Choose the exact scope you want to fix, a cell, a row, or the entire table, because operations differ. Once selected, use the table menu or right-click to access Insert, Delete, and Table properties. This saves time and prevents accidental changes. Make sure you understand whether you need layout, border, or content fixes before moving on, since each uses a different tool in the menu. Now focus on structure. Resize columns by dragging the column edge or open table properties to type an exact width. This keeps columns consistent across devices. For readability, align text horizontally and vertically and set cell padding so content doesn't touch edges. If appearance is off, change border style, thickness, and color. Set 0px to hide lines. Once done, check how the table behaves when you add content, so spacing and alignment remain. Finish by distributing rows or columns evenly to balance the look. Use table properties for precise control. If a table is corrupted or behaves oddly, copy its content, delete the table, and recreate it, or convert to plain text then reinsert. You'll lose formatting but regain stability. Make sure page margins and text wrap aren't forcing odd breaks. If something still fails, reload the document and undo recent changes. If needed, duplicate the doc and try fixes there to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.